what are you doing again?
I lined this part right here up with the hole, and then I get this filled. You want that to be hot, not cold, and this to be warm too, actually. Then you pour it in. Is that good enough? Did it all go? Then you want to wait a minute. So.
What are you supposed to do right after? Are you supposed to hit it against something?
Yeah, not right after.
Yeah, as soon as you can, that's fine. It's done. It's good.
Do we need to apply it?
Did you hit it?
Oh yeah. Wait, yeah.
Yep.
Wait, we trying to pull this?
Yes. Don't do it with your hand. Yeah. Perfect. Well done.
Okay,
now what are you doing?
now you want to open it up. I didn't have to hit it, but.
Perfect. You didn't even have to hit it. All right. Now let's go fire the weapon.
Okay. Now
But
we're
does
gonna
it
fire
have this? Now it's gonna have that little point there.
Yes, it does. And yours has the point as well, doesn't it?
What? Let me see. What point?
This with that thing sealed over it.
Hold it still so I can see.
Shoot the gun. Goes first, okay? So we're going to go ahead and take, and we're going to measure out 50 grams.
Is that 50?
That's 50 grams. You'll notice that this is 60 grams and all the way up to 100 grams.
I thought 125.
And,
100.
oh, maybe it goes all the way up to 125.
Yeah,
I don't
it
know.
goes up to 120. So you said.
Well,
It kicks like a
okay, but we're only going to do 50.
Why?
50 was enough for me to knock that can off.
No, to whip it open.
You know, did I rip it?
Yeah.
Rip it up? All right.
Okay, how much, Danny, gunpowder did you put in?
50 grams.
And then 100
didn't
fell
it
on his
go-
lap.
It's good. It's good.
Oh,
Yours
is
is
it?
fine.
And then what are you doing now?
Pouring it into the barrel.
Into the what?
The barrel. Oh, there's no more in it.
Do you remember what this is called?
Rifle. Oh, no, muzzle
Long,
loader.
was it called a long rifle?
No, muzzle loader.
Oh, muzzle loader.
Okay, what's next?
Got it.
Where's your bullet?
Right here. And then this goes down, right? Because the butter goes.
Yeah.
The oiled side goes down. Is that what you said earlier?
And what goes up on the bullet?
That part. Does it need to be even when you
Divot.
Yeah, it's just fine.
What is it called, Danny?
a divot? But it's not going to face up.
Okay, you can change it. Hey, son. You can change that to where it's.
Okay, what's that you're doing now?
This is the ramrod.
And what do you do with the ramrod?
Gotta push it down. Oh, wait.
Uh-oh.
Push it all the way down.
But that does have to be in there?
Well, it's supposed to be, but...
It is supposed to be.
So,
It's
how does that affect it coming out?
I don't think it will. It's just a piece of paper.
How does that oiled cloth help it come out better?
Mainly to get it down the blade.
Oh, okay. I see.
I think it went in pretty good too.
Okay.
I guess so, because it was the first thing down, wasn't it? So where does it burns up when the thing gets fired, or?
It's.
Probably. No, that was probably smoking right over there.
Go ahead and take the previous cap off.
Okay. What are you getting out, Danny?
Cap.
Hold it carefully so you don't lose it.
Not totally on.
Oh, keep care of it. You're supposed to put it on at only like this, because this won't.
Oh, okay.
That's good.
It's
Now
not.
we're gonna let it in. Touch it a little bit. Now, was there something that you forgot?
To tap it.
That's correct. So let's just go ahead and make sure you tap it. Okay. All right, come out here.
Do we know how long it would take someone that was really as quick, you know, good at it? How long it would take?
3 saws per minute. Now it was with the older.
That'd be 20 seconds.
Uh-oh. Ah, the cap bump fell off already. And then I pulled back this thing.
Wait just a minute.
Hold on a second.
Let him be right there beside you.
Okay, pull that back, all the way back.
Yeah, all the way.
Now it is a hard pull. So just remember, it's going to be a hard pull. You got it.
You hit 2 of them. What are you doing, Danny?
Making a basket.
So what did you do with the pieces of thin wood here? How are they flexible?
Because it's almost paper, this is not so.
What did you soak them in water?
It's soaked in water. Wait, this isn't even. How much is this?
You've got, now we're going to make the sides. Alright, so dip this in water, make sure it's nice and wet. Okay. They're drying out